My name is Dr. Dawn Fedorchik. I am a 2010 grad from the University of Pennsylvania. I have worked in emergency medicine, shelter medicine, and general practice. More recently, I am full-time at Hoboken Vets Animal Clinic in Hoboken, New Jersey. And I also work a day a week at Greenwood Lake Animal Hospital near West Milford, New Jersey, which is very close to my home. Medical records are the bane of my existence. So I do a ton of research. I like to keep my best practice medicine as an option for all of my clients. Again, access to care, not that every client has to do that, but I want to make sure that I'm offering all of the options possible. I like to really have good client communication. I think most of the time should be left for interacting with clients and providing education as well as treating the patients. Where I struggle is I want perfect medical records, but it's finding the time to write those perfect medical records. So charting has always been a big point of anxiety, and you can ask anyone what keeps me at the hospital for late hours. I first heard about Talkatoo through Encore. It was a platform that was offered to us, and of course I wanted to try it out. Anything that can help speed along my medical record writing and keep me more efficient, it's always something that I strive to do. So one of the issues that we have right now is we can't get enough patients in. We don't have time to necessarily write all of these records. Being able to, walk around, do my charting wherever it's convenient for me has taken off a lot of pressure. In terms of how much time I'm saving, it would take me a minimum of 2 hours on a full day to try to get all my notes in to my standards. And it's pretty much eliminating that extra couple of hours at the end of the day. It's also encouraging me to get it done right then and there, and not have that hanging over my head. So it's saving me hours each day. It has completely changed the way I do charting. It's helping me not to forget things that I talked about in the exam room. It's really lightened my load at the end of the day. I thought the training and onboarding was actually very helpful. It kind of gave you some expectations. It made you feel more comfortable on what you were kind of getting involved with. You got to meet one of the scribes to know that these are actually people and not computers that you're communicating with. These are actually folks that you're going to have looking at your notes and making sure they go into an intelligible fashion. Into the record in an intelligible fashion, even if you're having one of those crazy days and rushing and so forth. So I thought the onboarding was excellent. I think it's not until you start going through a couple of records you really go, this is awesome. I actually recommend this service to everyone in my network. So absolutely. I would say give it a try, even if you think that your charting is fine and there's no problems. I would say give it a try and really see how much time it saves you, see how much more efficient it can make you, and how much more details you'll be able to get into your records in a more efficient amount of time than ever before. So we're always striving to improve our medicine. We should also do so with our medical record keeping.